On this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Jotform AI Chatbot WordPress plugin in a snap. So follow me to my desktop right now. What's up everyone, my name is George, and on this video, I am going to show you how to install and set up the AI chatbot really quickly. All right, so let's jump over to my WordPress website. And the first thing you need to do to install the plugin is jump into the plugin section, add plugin, and what we're going to do is search for Jotform AI. Once we do that, we're going to find this plugin right here. You are going to install it and activate it. Once that is activated, you'll find this plugin available right here, Jotform AI Chatbot. Once we do that, we can get started with the setup process. Be aware that you do need to be logged into Jotform. If you're not, it will prompt you to do so, all right? So let's get started. Here we go. Let's go ahead and allow it to connect to Jotform account. And we're going to describe the chatbot that we want to create. In this case, I'm going to select this one, a job application, or I can select an AI agent that I've previously created in Jotform. But in this case, we're going to create a brand new one. So let's go ahead and continue the process. And Jotform is going to do its magic and create the chatbot right now. Okay, so here we go. The greeting, do we want to enable this or not? How can I assist you? The posting, do we want it to post or not? And the position, do you want it on the right side of the website or on the left side? In this case, I'm going to set it up for the left side. Let's go ahead and click next. Select our avatar. In this case, we'll stick with Elena. Let's hit next. Then the agent name, we can go ahead and change it straight from here or keep it as it is. The agent role, in this case, the role of this agent is a job application assistant. If I want to change this, I can do so right here. Maybe I want it to be a human resource agent. Now, this agent role will kind of designate how it's going to interact with the people that it's going to chat with. So to consider this really important, okay? Then the chattiness, do we want it to be really chatty or not? In this case, I want it to be minimalist. And then the default language, in this case, English, the tone of the voice, professional, casual, or friendly. I want it to be friendly, even though it's a human resource. So I don't want it to be too pro, all right? Then set up the AI chatbot look. So configuration options. So I can change the look really quickly here, and I'll see the preview on the right. So I like this style right here. It's clean, modern. I like that. And I can change the start color, the end color, and just modify whatever I need right here. Okay, let's hit next. And then we can add to our knowledge base. In this case, I can let it know things that it should know in order for it to interact with people. In this case, it's a human resource agent. So I want to provide it information that will be helpful for it to respond with. In this case, I'm going to skip it for now. I am going to hit next, and it's going to be added to the entire website, or if I just wanted to add it to certain pages. In this case, I do want it to be in the entire website. So I'll hit next and save. Here we go. Let's go ahead and go into our website. So let's go ahead and preview our live site. And here we go. We have Elena here on the bottom left, just as intended. So here we go. I can start chatting with it, apply for a job, and you can see how easy this was to get started. Just go ahead and install the Jotform AI Chatbot agent plugin and get started right away here on WordPress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.